Okay, let's talk about ki sometimes we find that we sweat a lot, and it leaves a marks on the underarms, and more than the sweating bit it leaves an odor, वो एक गंदी सी बदबू. आपको नहीं पता लगता, but others can feel it that you're sweating. And when you change your clothes, maybe you also realize, but it's more like the others realize that you are leaving this bad odor. And basically, when you're sweating a lot, what is that for? Now, imagine that you're wearing a ring like I'm wearing, and imagine this has become very tight. Okay? So now how am I going to remove it if it becomes very tight? What are you going to do? I'm going to put soap on my hand or put cream so that I can pull it out. Now think again, could it be that you are stuck like that in a messy situation, in a difficult situation? And that difficult situation can be anything, and you don't know how to get out of it. So your body is literally sweating, and this time it's not the ring that has to be pulled out, this time it is you who has to be pulled out of that situation where you've got stuck. मतलब आप झूठ बोल रहे हो, आपने अपनी बीवी को नहीं बताना है कि आप झूठ बोल रहे हो, एंड यू आर स्वेटिंग. होता है ना, नर्वस. यू स्टैंडिंग ऑन द स्टेज, you don't want to be stuck on the stage and you are sweating. What is your body saying at that time? Body is saying that I'm not comfortable in the situation that I have got stuck, and the sweating is happening so that I can pull you out. And once the situation has gone past, you feel that the sweat has dried out. But that is the time when fungus and bacteria are working on that area, removing off what is not required or doing their work. And this creates an odor or a smell. So when we see that, when we actually can smell that sweaty sweat, we know that our fungi, our bacteria are functioning properly, and we also know at that time that you're not stuck anymore. And कुछ लोग तो ये being stuck and not being stuck के बीच में फंस जाते हैं. They're literally stuck between not being stuck and being stuck, and that becomes pretty much the predisposition of their life all the time. Thank you very much. If you really like what we are bringing for you, subscribe to this channel and learn Meta Health with me. I'm Dr. Anu Mehta.